Hi everyone, today's idiom is up and running. To be up and running means something has started and is functioning successfully. As usual, watch the following clip from the film Mr. and Mrs. Smith to see it being used.
Are we green?
Perimeter is armed. We are up and running.
And here are a few more sentences for you to see it being used even more. 1. The air conditioner in our hotel room in Mallorca was broke, but a technician soon got it up and running again. 2. My car wouldn't start this morning, but my neighbor, who is a mechanic, helped me get it up and running again. 3. It was taking a long time for us to get our business up and running, but we finally achieved it and now we're making a profit. And finally, 4. We recently bought a new computer and it didn't take us long to get it up and running. And that's it once again, short and sweet. Thank you all once again for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can make it grow faster and produce more quality videos for you. And click the notifications bell to make sure you get notified about all our newest video releases. Until next time, bye.